Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I teamed up with Wall Pics and they sent me these 12 pictures to put on the wall, and it was so easy. You don't need any hardware or anything like that. All I used was a tape measure and a level just to make sure that they were all evenly spaced and level. I'll just show you how I did it, and I think that these will be a great Christmas gift. And I'll put a link below for their website where you can get your own set and you can choose how many you want.
So this is the entryway wall. As you can see, it's super plain. Needs a little something. Let's see what we can figure out for this. So I just laid them all out here to figure out how I want them to be arranged on the wall, and I think that this is how I'm gonna do it. So I just finished putting up all the wall pics, and I'm so happy with how it turned out. So much better than before.
So I just finished putting all the wall pics up. They were so easy to put up. I can't imagine trying to do this with hardware, especially on my own. So I'll put the link below for their website where you can get your own wall pics. And thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.